Cheerful welcome to all. I am from LO Team Research Group B. We had a joyful industrial visit to AADHAN Milk Company in ALANCHOLAI, which was said by Kumari Arivial Peravai, the Young Scientist Program 2022 to 2023. So let's start the journey to AADHAN Milk Company.
We five of our group member entered the factory. These are the few machines which we visualized in the factory. As it's an dairy factory, it's highly hygienic and it's not allowed to have a talk inside the factory. This is weigh bowl. These are the cooling blades present in the pasteurizer. This is pasteurizer. This is screen separator. This machine is a specific machine used in the producing of curd by advanced methods. This specific parts of the factory is used in cooling of water. The red parallel tubes are used in the flowing of ammonia gas, and the water is sprinkled upon this tube through the green pipe. This sprinkled liquid covers this parallel tubes and come down in cool temperature. This specific part of the factory is used in keeping the dairy products under cool environment before transporting. This specific part of the factory can be also said to be a huge replica of a refrigerator. The milk is gradually filled under the covers and it's cutted to a metal pot, and the labor is collected and arranged it in a plastic box. After this process, it's directly sent to cooling chamber. He is Mr. Anish, who explained everything about the factory, which was crystal clear. First of all, he asked few questions such as how does the milk are preserved for more days, and why does we are drinking milk? What's the benefit about it? And he explained for that questions too. First of all, he explained how does the milk are preserved for few days. As milks are preserved for few days because of pasteurization process. This process happening in the factories are heating the milk in a particular temperature as 85 to 90 degree. This heated temperature kills the bacteria which lives on cool environment, and it's also cooled suddenly to kill the bacteria which live in high temperature. This mode of heating and cooling the milk is known as pasteurization process. This process happens in the pasteurizer. The blades present on them are used in the flowing of cool and hot liquid, that means water. This water flowing on the blades are again cooled by the ammonia gas. And he explained about the homogenizer. What is homogenizer? The homogenizer is a particular machine which is used in the breaking of uneven fat content in the milk. After the breaking of this milk, this is used in factories to differ the quality and the type of the milk. Each and every type of the milk differs under the quality and the fat content on the milk. For example, buttery milk contains a high amount of fat on it, but skimmed milk contains no fat on it. These are the few examples for the type of the milk, which is according to the quantity of the fat present on the milk. And in the cream separator, the milk is highly spun in the grinder-like substance to obtain the fat content from the milk, which is known as cream. The fat is removed and added to the milk to improve and low down the quantity of it. The cost price of the milk is about the quantity of the fat and the non-fats present on the milk. Curd is produced by an advanced method in a machine in which a starter and a culture of curd in powder form is added to the milk, in which the bacteria known as lactobacillus start to develop. The development of this bacteria increases the sour taste of the curd. In this process, the milk is turned into curd. The butter produced from the butter separating machine is heated to get ghee. These are the processes happening there basically. He explained us what happens before the milk which comes to the factory. The milk is first smelled to find the quality of the milk, and also after some of the samples are taken from the milk and heated. This heated milk, if it pops, it's the milk which is not potable for humans to drink. If it's not popping and the milk starts to come up, it's a good fresh milk which is able for us to smell. This process happens in the chilling center as the milks are collected from the vendors and it's gathered there. After these tests, it's coming to the factory. He said that all the laborers working in the factory are provided with health insurance, and also he said about the safety measures in the factory like ETP plant, influent treatment plant. Here the waste liquid present from the factory is cleaned. He said that the salary of the laborers are according to their section. That's all what he said about the factory. Thank you.